Now then, off the back of this new data, as we heard, England is not changing restrictions, at least not yet. Scotland said this morning that nightclubs will have to close for 3 weeks from the 27th. Deputy First Minister John Swinney said that the aim was to dramatically reduce the level of social interaction in order to interrupt the circulation of Omicron. Donald MacLeod owns the Garage and Cat House nightclubs in Glasgow. I asked whether he was expecting the announcement.
Oh, totally expecting it. I mean, Wales banned nightclubs, Northern Ireland banned nightclubs, so the Grinch, Mr. Swinney, just had to follow, didn't he? I mean, it's par for the course. We all expected it, but the damage was done 3 weeks ago when Public Health Scotland started scaring everybody, saying that Omicron was going to wipe out the human race, so we expected it. I much prefer the way that Boris and Westminster have looked at it and waiting on the evidence before pressing any panic buttons.
What difference is it going to make to you? Because New Year's Eve, Hogmanay is obviously, it's a really important celebration in Scotland.
Massive. I mean, my organisation hopefully will be resilient enough to see it through if it's just 3 weeks. But this is COVID Groundhog Day, and I don't see 3 weeks actually. I think it'll be 3 months. It'll decimate the industry. And what's really galling is that today Nicola Sturgeon said, well, that's me off work, we're going to be off for the holidays. Meanwhile, I've got 150 staff personally. They're going to be worried sick about their jobs. We have suppliers worried sick. We have the freelancers all absolutely in bits 2 days before Christmas. That's a disgrace.
Do you think people will celebrate anyway when it comes to New Year's Eve?
Well, Scottish people always celebrate.
How? What are you planning to do?
Well, here's the other laugh: is that my one of my family members has contracted Omicron. He's coughing and spluttering a wee bit, but that is effectively because of the rules of self-isolation. Means that my whole family, there's only going to be 5 of us at Christmas when there should have been 16. So how am I going to celebrate? I'm going to try and wade through 2 turkeys and a beef Wellington.
Well, you heard Donald MacLeod say that he agreed with the Prime Minister's decision to wait for more data before introducing further measures.